Welcome back to App Mentor. This tutorial will guide you through the process of generating and copying complex math equations from ChatGPT into Microsoft Word using LaTeX. This method ensures that your equations are formatted correctly and look professional, making it ideal for students, teachers, and professionals who need to include mathematical expressions in their documents. Open ChatGPT or your preferred interface. Ask ChatGPT to generate a specific math equation. For example, you could say, write a complex math equation. After generating, copy the formula from ChatGPT. Now let's head over to our Word file. If you paste this one, the format will be scrambled and it will be inefficient to manually arrange this one. Now let's keep your equation copied and ask ChatGPT to have convert this into LaTeX format. Head to your ChatGPT and paste the equation, then add convert this to LaTeX version. Over here, you can see the instructions on how to properly paste it on your Word file. First, copy the code over here, then go to your Word file, hold Alt on your keyboard and paste the LaTeX code, and there you have it. By following the steps, you can efficiently generate and insert complex math equations from ChatGPT into Microsoft Word. This process not only enhances the professionalism of your documents, but also streamlines your workflow. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!